Thank you, Dr. Vikas Gore. Now I congratulate the new team, which is an amalgamation of experienced and enthusiastic members. The coming year will definitely be an academic feast with lots of cultural and sports activities and fun too. I request Dr. Vikas Gore to give his presidential speech.
Good evening, everybody. Respected dignitaries and today's chief guest, Dr. Pankaj Desai sir. He is my remote mentor and remote guide. Today's guest of honor and local guide and my local mentor, Dr. Appasaheb Pawar. Outgoing president, Dr. Nivedita Pawar. She is like my sister, I always say. And my very close friend, Dr. Anand, and our secretary, who is our secretary. Dignitaries of the dais, very senior members of the NOGS, and my young dynamic friends of NOGS, and the invited guest. First of all, I would like to thank my friend and my well-wisher, Shilpa, who has done an excellent job of presentation of my biopic. I am really thank you, Shilpa, for me. Then the wonderful job of doing this ambience, very pious, and the great management of this function was handled by the three beautiful ladies, one Kshama Agor and Shraddha Shah and Sangeeta Wagh. No, I always call her Shraddha Shah. So friends, I am very much delighted that you people are here. You have really graced the occasion and the atmosphere here is really good. I am also happy and consider myself blessed that Dr. Pankaj Desai came all the way from Baroda and accepted as a chief guest. On one phone call, he said, Vikas, I am going to come for you, don't worry. And he showed the affection and love towards all of us and of course for me. I am very happy that Dr. Appasaheb Pawar consented to come for this function and he is going to give us blessing on this lovely occasion. Friends, life has come full circle for me. As you have seen that in 2009-10, I was the IMA president Nasik Road. That time I chose none other than my first teacher and mentor, Dr. Appasaheb Pawar, as the chief guest. And now he is also there for this function to bless me. Friends, today I stand before you with a great humility and respect towards all of you, seniors and young members, and accept this post of President of Nasico Vijaya Society. Nasico Vijaya Society is a very prestigious organization groomed by all stalwarts like Dr. Appasaheb Pawar, Dr. Khanapurkar Madam, and Dr. Y.R. Joshi, and I need not take everybody's name, but consider my feeling for all of them. So this society was formed in 1975 by late Dr. Patankar, Dr. Appasaheb Pawar, Dr. Khanapurkar, and there were around 11 members. And over the period of 40 years, the society has grown, as Shraddha said, to the member of 300, and it has become really a big family. So, with this big family, we have also got a glorious tradition of holding the conferences, successful conferences each year. We have held AMOGS in 1988, 2000 and 2010. Then we have held a wonderful Switzerland conference with the Rui Patel and Dr. Shivdev sir, and of course our Dr. Thode. They have done that in that conference very good job. Then under the leadership of Dr. Gadorkar Madam, we had a very good Yuva Foxy conference, and Dr. Sanklecha was the secretary. That conference was also a successful conference. Then the PPIM, Dr. Baste took all the things, and it was also a good show. Then Justices Conference, Dr. Goswami sir was there, and it was also a successful conference. And the recently the most important and the most successful conference as far as me is concerned, because I got only 30 days to prepare, and with the support of all seniors, I could do that conference very successful, and it is appreciated in all over Maharashtra. And I have got really pleasant experience of that conference. With all this involvement into the Nasik OBGYN Society and the very good work done by all of the presidents sitting here, I learned a lot in Nasik OBGYN Society. So, friends, today it's a really a landmark day for me. I am now doing a work. I will be starting work of presidency. A journey started in 1993 with the guiding force of Sir as a simple member, and now I have become president. Friends, I am really glad for that. Thank you very much. When the society has grown this much, there were the challenges for the society, and the work requirements also increased. May it be the welfare of members, may it be the standing for the bad times, may it be handling the academics, may it be handling the social works. And now the responsibility over the society has increased, as Dr. Kavudai sir has given a very wonderful lecture in last GVM. What are the responsibility and what are the requirements of trust, and what we should fulfill to the charity commissioner. And the most important thing is to be chunk of the social work has to be done in that team. So, friends, I think with all this thing, with my friend Dr. Anand, we will be giving a wonderful year this year. I and my whole team has planned for the theme for this year is stress-free energies. Stress-free energies means what? Many members who are newcomers and many members who are still practiced for the 40 years, still facing the tough time outside. May it be because of overwork, long paperwork, rules and regulation, and the change attitude of the patients towards the doctors, and the image of our doctors has really a problem. So the main energy of all the doctors is diverted to handle all these conflicts. And so we thought, I thought personally, a doctor should be first physically fit, mentally in a tough frame of mind, and he should be backed up with the sound knowledge and updated knowledge. If he has got these three things, he definitely go ahead with a lot of confidence, and the stress on his part will be definitely reduced. Then the most important, so in order to do this thing, we plan for the lectures, seminars and workshops in this whole year. We will be planning for that. In that, we will be calling the stalwarts for teamwork, management, and how to handle the stress in gynec practice and the lifestyle modification. Also, when I will be planning for the academics, I am going to see that all the academic topics will be of the day-to-day activity, day-to-day problems or the dilemmas or the decision making we will come across. So for that also I call a stalwarts of the national level will try to do some protocol so that our members will come with easy management. So by doing all these things, I thought I will reduce a little bit stress, or I will start reducing the stress, and I will make our NOGS members stress free. So that was the main thing, main thing behind this thing. We are also going to follow the theme of FOXY, that is C matters, care, educate and transform. Friends, as far as the academics is concerned, besides routine all this CMEs and all these things, we will be doing this year with the consent of all trustees and the support of all youngsters. We will be going for a Nasik Obstetric Gynecological Society conference that we will be planning in November or December. And in that, the main 40% of the faculties will be our own learned experienced members, who will be the faculties who will be guiding and who will be taking part as a faculty, and the 60% will be the national level faculties. So I think that will be a thing which we will be starting, will be at par with Pune Obstetric Gynec Society and Mumbai Obstetric Gynec Society. So it will be another successful conference. I am hoping for the best with your support. Also, we are planning for the workshops. Now almost we see on the WhatsApp, most of the people are doing non-decent vaginal hysterectomy, and somebody said that all the time all people are celebrity surgeons. So I thought, why not to celebrate and conducting workshop on NDH. So we will be planning for an NDH workshop. Then for the PPH, which is the most important thing, we will be planning for PPH workshop. And the most important thing, which I always feel, that gynecologist should do, or he should have a sound knowledge of gynec obstetric sonography and Doppler. And Dr. Pankaj Desai is a very strong proponent of that. In order to manage all high-risk pregnancy, and he always says that you have to know all the Doppler things. So we will try and see how much we can do better in learning in that workshop. Then the critical care in obstetrics, that will be another workshop. With all these things, friends, I think I will try to cover most of the things in this coming year. As far as the medical legal cell, Dr. Nivedita has done a wonderful job with all our members in GBM, and we have formed. Dr. Sushita Bachao is also a very active member in that, on that front of medical legal cell. President and secretary are the integral part of that, and other people who are ready to work in that, they all are welcome. The basic purpose of forming this official NOGS WhatsApp group was that everybody should be on that group for the only alarming messages and the required messages, and president and secretary should be immediately contactable. So that group was formed with that purpose only. And when this medical legal cell is formed, I feel, by seeing the previous incidences, we have to be proactive and prophylactic. When you sense something is going wrong somewhere, then you have to contact us. We will discuss with all experienced senior members, having all their powers. We will utilize their powers and from all the fronts. Then we will contact our medical legal expert, Dr. M.Y. Kale, and we will go to that person. We will definitely reduce the burden of that. And if the situation still worsens, then we will see to it that with our parent organization, I am a member, and NOGS, we will go in police station and see to it that the act which is there in favor of the doctor's protection, we will see to it that it has to be applied to that person. And now, yesterday in IMA function, I heard from Dr. Tambe that this punishment in that is increased up to the 7 years. That is really a good thing for all of us. As far as the social things are concerned, our society is always on the forefront with the guidance of Shivdev sir, Appasaheb Pawar sir, Ganorkar madam, and all the people. We are always doing a good social work, charity work. But we have to increase this thing because now it has become trust. In last meeting, many of our members, talented members, put their suggestion, and we will definitely think over it, and we will adopt all their suggestions, and we will do the better social work. Also, there is whole 1 year. So whatever the things come across us, we will jump onto that as far as the social work is concerned, and we will do that. Then friends, as you have seen that I am very fond of having playing outdoor games. When I joined Nasik Obijaya Society in 1993, none of the Gynec Society person was playing cricket. मला त्यावेळेला इतकं दुःख व्हायचं, काय आपल्याला काय पुढेच खेळायला मिळत नाही बरोबर, सगळे बिझी होते त्यांच्यासाठी. I had to wait till 2013, 20 years, to play with my all boys as a NOGS team. So I waited. So in this year, I thought all young women's brigade is also become for the indoor too. So this year definitely we'll plan 1 or 2 days for a cultural or sports event. So that is my plan. Then coming to the new members drive, that is the most important thing. Friends, it came to my knowledge that there are still 13, 14 or 20 odd people are still yet to become a member of our NOGS. So we'll try to cover them, we'll try to make them a life member, because it is really economical for them to become a life member, and once they become life member, our support from our society is always there for them. Here I want to stress few things, that NOGS is a family which I experienced over this last 25 years, and all are one here. Seniors, juniors are all are one. And I am firm believer that every person has got his own unique talent gifted by God. So we don't consider senior, junior here. There is no rift between senior, junior. And I know the problem of newcomers, because I came from the middle class family. What are the hurdles we people come across while settling in this practice? And today the scenario has become totally difficult. So friends, whatever the problems on any fronts, if you are there, you come to us. All seniors are there to help you. And if at all you are shy, you come, contact Anand or me. We will put forward your problems and we will definitely help you. Now, in last GBM, where all the trustees and on the WhatsApp group also we have decided, there are many sufferings and many problems of the newcomers, as far as going to the general practitioner and doing the calls and facing the problems with the low resource setting practicing. So we have formed the committee. Dr. Anand, Dr. Prashant Mahajan, Dr. Umesh is also there in that committee. So 5 members committee we have formed, and that committee will definitely work and put forward their inference, and they will come across what to do. So we are planning GBM, and next GBM we are going to come out with the solutions for that. With all these things, friends, I again say that NOGS is a family. You all are welcome. You don't have to be insecure in this city of Nasik. When you start practice, you just have to become member of NOGS. That's all. We are there to help you. And the most important thing I want to stress here at this juncture are the 2 or 3 couple of things. Friends, why we are facing these conflicts outside? Why we are being treated by the community or the society here like this? Dr. Appa Sir was never treated like this. Dr. Shivdev Sir was never treated like this. Dr. Wayar and Dr. Sheikh was never treated like this. We have to introspect. In this introspection, we have ruined our image over the period of time, and we have to repair that image. We have to heal that wound. And in this healing, we doctors are healers, not a damager. So, here in last 1 week, I saw the Nanded pattern coming up. In that, what is there in Nanded pattern, I did not discuss all those things at this juncture and on this platform, because here all the invited people are here. But we have to follow some ethical practice, and if we follow this thing, then we will require bouncer, we will require law to protect, we will require personal protective devices. But if you do all these good deeds, then जब ये time आएगा, boomerang होगा your personal protective device, then only your good deed will save you. And Dr. Pankaj Desai is a good proponent of all this ethical practice. त्यांच्या हॉस्पिटलच्या बाहेर बोर्ड लागलेला आहे. We don't entertain MR those who give gifts or samples. So he is strict and he condemns all the practices of taking gifts and doing all these things. So friends, if we do all these things, we will really improve our image, and we'll come out of the things what we are facing. And another couple of things which I want to say here, for all members, not only the youngsters. If you follow few things like a confidence in yourself by getting the knowledge and applying the knowledge, by updating, confidence in your knowledge, confidence in your surgery. And another thing is a confidence from patients. So how to get confidence from the patient? Once you get a confidence from the patient, then how to get confidence? You have to have your positive approach, positive talks, and your body language should be pleasant. Patient should feel that this doctor is a perfect doctor for me. Whatever he does, I will accept. So this is a confidence you have to gain. First is that you have to get confidence in yourself and then from your patient. Then you have to adopt some communication skill. Communication skill, what you are doing, you have to explain. You have to explain to the relatives. You have to explain right from the charges to the outcome, what are the things are there. So these things are important. And the last and most important thing is the presence of mind. All the society, media, people are observing what you are doing. As a professional, you have to have some code of conduct. So if we do all these things, I feel this problem of conflicts will really reduce less. So friends, if you come with NOGS, if you are in team, there is a sentence, if you want to walk fast, walk alone. If you want to walk far, you walk together. So friends, come together and let us walk and let us face the challenges which we are facing. I am sure we will definitely conquer all those things. Then with my team, with this dynamic and experienced team, Dr. Anand and I will definitely try to give a better and different year. No doubt it will be with all teams which will be helping me. Teamwork makes the dream work. So, and of course the Almighty God's blessing has to be there, and my parents' blessing has to be there for doing all the good things which I will be doing in coming year. And friends, our great all seniors like Dr. Desle, Dr. Shivde, Dr. Venmutha, Dr. Malpani, Dr. Appasaheb Pawar. There are many which I cannot take everybody's name, but please consider my feeling. With all their blessing and all support from the all youngsters, we will definitely do this year a better year, and we will definitely make our society a stress-free society. I will not take much time of you because let me open my all heart. मैं आपके सामने दिल खोलूंगा तब मेरे को बीमारी नहीं होगी.
Yeah, 1 more year, sir. Full year.
So I will not come in between you and Dr. Pankaj Desai, sir. You are all are eagerly waiting for his lecture, and his topic is totally different. And I am sure you will enjoy it and you will carry some message. And at the concluding part, I again assure you that with all unity and all these things, I will assure you the 100% NOGS stress-free. Even if at the end of my tenure, मी यातलं थोडं 80% जरी करू शकलो, तर मी मला स्वतःला समाधानी आणि आनंदी समजेन. यात सबका साथ, सबका विकास आणि
मित्रों म्हणून टाकायचा.
डॉक्टर गोरे अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं ना.
यस, त्याच्यासाठी अपनों का साथ चाहिए और तब अपनों का विकास होगा. थैंक यू. सो I am very happy and I really love you all. Thank you.
So after listening to Dr. President Sir's speech, I am sure he'll be a great captain to sail the ship of NOGS in turbulent waters. I hope we don't have any turbulence in the coming year, sir. Now I hand over. We have our IMA President Dr. Mangesh Thete to felicitate Dr. Vikas Gore. Dr. Mangesh Thete, please.
संजय का